I've got another demo, which is a different kind of insurance policy. So you can see the differences and how data can be managed. And this test at the end would actually do a little bit of UI test automation to keep things interesting. And keep in mind that Karate can actually do both API and UI test automation. Now you can see that the details here for a homeowner 3 form actually is having all the details about the dwelling, the construction, the year built, as you expect, a lot of data around the coverages, the different limits, and we even add a couple of extra optional items. These are personal valuables that are represented. There's a lot of data to be entered around that. And at the end of the test, you can see we call into another feature file, which is a UI test. We're actually going to navigate to policy centers, see the code screen, and take a screenshot. So you're going to see that happen in the HTML report. We've kicked off the test. The API part actually runs lightning fast. And here's the UI part. I'm hands-free at the moment. We're now having to log into Policy Center via the automation script, plug in the policy number, and we are at the code. We took a screenshot. It's quite fast, but we can now look at the report and see actually what played out. As you expect, you have all those details about the rating costs appear in the HTML report, and here's the UI part of the test, and we even have a screenshot. So you could compare, what came back from the API versus what came back from the UI. And keep in mind that API tests are so much faster than UI tests because to reach this code screen, you actually had to bring up a browser and enter the username and password, skip past the dashboard screen. So it really takes a lot of time. API tests are much faster in comparison.